So in this video, based on Z transform, we are going to find the impulse response on the step system for the following systems. Y of n minus 3 by 4, y of n minus 1 plus 1 by 8, y of n minus 2 is equal to x of n. So if I take Z transform for this function, you will get y of z. Those y of z minus 3 by 4. Okay. Z power minus 1 into y of z, right, plus you will get small y of minus 1. Okay, so this term I can write it like this. Okay, plus 1 by 8 into z power minus 2. Since I have here minus 2, z power minus 2 into y of z plus z power minus 1 into small y of minus 1 plus y power y of minus 2, small y of minus 2, that is equal to x of z. If I take a z transform of this one. Okay, so since they haven't given the values for minus 1, y of minus 1 and y of minus 2, so they have they haven't given, so I have taken it as 0. So if they are given, you have to substitute that one. Okay, so y of z minus 3 by 4 of z power minus 1 into y of z plus 1 by 8 of z power minus 2 into y of z, that is equal to x of z. So from this I can take this y of z common. So if I take y of z common, 1 minus 3 by 4 of z power minus 1 plus 1 by 8 of z power minus 2, that is equal to x of z. So they have asked to find the impulse response. Impulse response means h of m. Okay, small h of m. So you know that h of z. What is h of z? H of z is equal to y of z divided by x of z. So there is nothing but 1 divided by 1 minus 3 by 4 into z power minus 1 plus 1 by 8 into z power minus 2. Okay. So you apply 1 by 4 into 1 by 8. 1 by 4 into 1 by 8, you will get the answer for this one, right? 1 by 4 into 1 by 8. So before that one, let me multiply z square on both sides. So if I multiply z square on both sides, I will get z square divided by z square by minus 3 by 4 into z plus 1 by 8. Okay. So now I can write h of z by z is equal to z divided by z square minus 3 by 4 into z plus 1 by 8. See, 1 by 4 into 2 by 4 is into 2 by 4 is 2 divided by 16. 2 divided by 16, that is equal to 1 by 8, right? So if I add 1 by 4 plus 2 by 4, I will get 3 by 4. So I can write z divided by z minus 1 by 4 into z minus 2 by 4, that is nothing but 1 by 2. Okay. So after that I can take the partial fraction, right? So this is equal to a divided by z minus 1 by 4 plus b divided by z minus 1 by 2. So in order to find the value of a, okay, to find the value of a is equal to, you have to multiply z minus 1 by 4 into the whole term, the sum, z divided by z minus 1 by 4 into z minus 1 by 2, and you have to take z is equal to 1 by 4, right? So these two get cancelled out. So you will get 1 by 4 divided by 1 by 4 minus 1 by 2, that is nothing but 1 by 2. So you will get 1 by 2 is your answer. Okay. 1 by 2. So if I substitute, we'll get 2 minus, this is 1 by 4, and this is 1 by 4 minus 1 by 2. So we'll get 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4. Okay, that is equal to minus 1. So A is equal to minus 1, and to find B is equal to, again you have to multiply Z minus 1 by 2 with the whole term, right? Z divided by Z minus 1 by 2 into Z minus 1 by 4. So here you have to substitute Z is equal to 1 by 2. So these two term get cancelled out. So you will get 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4. So 2 you multiply, you will get 1 by 2 divided by 1 by 4. That is equal to 2. Okay. So you can substitute here. This minus 1 divided by Z minus 1 by 4 plus 2 divided by Z minus 1 by 2. Okay. So what is my h of Z? H of Z is equal to, so now you multiply. So this Z get multiplied here. Okay. So we'll get minus Z divided by Z minus 1 by 4 plus Z divided by Z minus 1 by 2. 2Z, 2Z. Okay. So if I take inverse Z transform, I'll get h of n, right? H of n is equal to minus of 1 by 4 power n u of n plus 2 into 1 by 2 power n u of e. Okay. So this is how you have to find the impulse response. So if suppose x of n is equal to 1 by 4 of n u of n, you will get x of z is equal to z divided by z minus 1 by 4. So that is why I have taken z minus z divided by z minus 1 by 4 as 1 by 4 of n u of n. Okay. So next they have asked about the step response, right? So step response means my x of n value is nothing but u of n. Okay. So if x of n is u of n, what will be my x of z? X of z is equal to summation x of n into z power minus 1 minus n. N is equal to minus infinity to infinity. So here if I substitute u of n, it goes from n is equal to 0 to infinity, right? Z power minus n. Since I have substitute x of n is equal to u of n, this goes to n is equal to 0 to infinity. So now if I substitute, it will become z power minus 0 plus z power minus 1 plus z power minus 2, and it will goes on up to infinity, right? So this is nothing but 1 plus z power minus 1 plus z power minus 2. Anything power 0 is 1 up to infinity. So this I can write it as 1 divided by 1 minus z power minus 1, that is equal to z divided by z power z minus 1. Okay, so now I can substitute this equation, right? So in this equation, this is my first equation. So I'm going to substitute y of z. What is my y of z? Y of z divided by x of z is equal to z square divided by z minus 4, z minus 1 by 4, z minus 1 by 2. Z minus 4, 1 by 4, z minus 1 by 2. So now I am going to substitute y of z. Y of z is equal to z square divided by z minus 1 by 4 z minus 1 by 2. So I am going to substitute this x of z value, right? This is my x of z value here. Okay, so z divided by z minus 1. So again I can take the partial fraction, right? So I can write y of z divided by z is equal to z square divided by z minus 1 z minus 1 by 4 z minus 1 by 2. So this I can write it as a divided by z minus 1 plus v divided by z minus 1 by 4 plus c divided by z minus 1 by 2. Okay. So again I am going to take the partial fraction. So a is equal to, so I am going to multiply with this one. So these two get cancelled out. So I am directly writing z square divided by z minus 1 by 4 into z minus 1 by 2, where z is equal to 1, right? So since if I equate this one to 0, z is equal to 1. So if I substitute, I will get 1 divided by 4 minus 1 divided by 4 into, so if I substitute 1, becomes 1 divided by 2, right? So this is nothing but 1 divided by 3 divided by 8, that is equal to 8 divided by 3. So a is nothing but 8 divided by 3. In similar way, if I want to find the value of b is equal to b, I am substituting z is equal to 1 by 4, right? So I have z square divided by, so these terms get cancelled out, so we will get z minus 1 into z minus 1 by 2. Okay. So now I am going to substitute the value. Okay. So if I substitute, I will get 1 divided by 16 divided by 1 by 4 minus 1, 1 by 4 minus 1 by 2. So you will get 1 by 16, 3 by 4, right? Minus 1 by 2. Okay. So this is equal to 1 divided by 16 minus 3 divided by 8. So that is equal to minus 1 divided by 6. Two. I get 1 divided by 16 minus 3 divided by 4. Sorry, this is minus 3 divided by 4 and this is minus 1 divided by 4. Okay. Sorry. This is minus 1 divided by 4. So we will get 1 divided by 16 divided by 3 divided by 16. So you will get the answer as 1 divided by 3. Okay, similar way I can substitute for C. So what is C? C is equal to Z square divided by Z minus, so I go to substitute, this is equal to 1, Z is equal to 1 by 2. So Z is equal to 1 by 2. So this is nothing but Z minus 1 by 4. Okay, so you substitute, this is 1 by 4, 1 by 2 minus 1, 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4. So if I solve 1 divided by 4, this is minus 1 divided by 2 and this is 1 divided by 4, right? So we'll get minus 2 is your answer. So I'm going to substitute it here. Instead of A, I'm going to substitute 8 by 3. 8 by 3 and B value is 1 by 3 and this is minus 2. 1 by 3, 1 by 3, this is minus 2. Okay. So what is my y of z? I can write y of z is equal to 8 by 3, right? 8 by 3 z divided by z minus 1. Z divided by z minus 1 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 z divided by z minus 4 minus 2 divided by z minus 1 by 2. Z divided by z minus 1 by 2. So if I take inverse z transform, I get y of z is equal y of n, small y of n. Small y of n is equal to 8 by 3, 1 power n into u of n plus 1 by 3, 4 power n into u of n. Wait. So this is 1 divided by 4, right? This is 1 divided by 4. Sorry. On divided by 4. So 1 divided by 4 minus 2 into 1 by 2 of n into u of it. So this is my answer. Okay. So if you consider this equation, here the pole locations are in pole location is nothing but z is equal to here the pole location is 1 by 4 and 1 by 2, right? So this must be inside the unit circle, right? Z is equal to 1 by 4 and 1 by 2, or inside the unit circle. So it can be written as so here if you see this one, so this is nothing but u of n, right? So the u of n is though the 1 by 4 and 1 by 2 is inside this unit circle, this u of n is unstable one. So I can tell these system is unstable. Okay. Though, so the condition is the pole must be inside the unit circle. So here I can take this is 1 by 2 and this is 1 by 4. Okay. Though this 1 by 4 and 1 by 2 is present inside this unit circle, 1 is not present inside the unit circle. So the system is unstable. So similar way, the 1 is a maximum value. So the region of conversion is convergence is like this. Okay. Okay, after 1, right? So this system is Cauchy system.